Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 14.1 question number 3. Factorize. Let us factorize these questions. Number 1 is x square plus xy plus 8x plus 8y. Here x square and xy, if I take the term common as x, then we are getting x plus y. Here if we take 8 as common, then we are getting x plus y. Now if we take xy as common, then we are getting x plus y into x plus 8. That is the answer. Now solve question number 2. Question number 2 is 15 xy minus 6x plus 5y minus 2. 5y minus 2. From these two, 15xy and minus 6x, if we take common 3x, then we are getting 3 5 is 15. 5y minus 2. 3y minus 2. Plus we can write it as 1. 1 into 5y minus 2. Or it can be written as, we take 5y minus 2 as common, that is 5y minus 2 as common, then we are getting 3x plus 1 plus 1, and that is the answer of question number 2. Answer is 5y minus 2 into 3x plus 1. Now question number 3. Question number 3 is ax plus bx minus ay minus by. If we take x as common, it is a plus b. If we take minus y as common, then you are getting a plus b. Now if we take a plus b as common, then we are getting a plus b into x minus y, a plus b into x minus y, and that is the answer of question number 3. A plus b into x minus y. Now question number 4. Question number 4 here you see is 15 pq plus 15 plus 9q plus 25p. If we rearrange this one, if we rearrange this one as 15 pq plus 9q plus 25p plus 15. Now if we take common as 3q. If we take 3q as common, 3q, then we are getting 3 pi 15, 5p plus 3 plus if we take 5 as common, then we are getting 5 5 25 p plus 3. If we take common 5p plus 3, 5p plus 3, then we are getting 5p plus 3 into 3q plus 5, 3q plus 5, and that is the answer of question number 4. The answer is 5p plus 3 into 3q plus 5. We solve question number 5. Question number 5 here you see is z minus 7 plus 7 xy minus x y z. Here you see, if we rearrange the terms, we are getting z minus x y z plus 7xy minus 7, right? If we take z as common, then we are getting 1 minus xy, and 7 is common, minus 7 is common, then we are getting 1 minus xy, because you see minus 7 and minus is plus 7xy. Therefore we are getting 1 minus xy into z minus 7. We are getting 1 minus xy into z minus 7. That is the answer of question number 5. The answer is 1 minus xy into z minus 7. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.